Unraveling the Mystery. What does head trip really mean? Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. Head trip. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive in. The phrase, head trip, is a colloquial expression in English. It is used to describe a situation where someone is being overly introspective, self-involved, or is overthinking things to an extreme. Essentially, it's when someone is lost in their own thoughts and emotions, sometimes to the point of being disconnected from reality. Let's break down the two words in the phrase to get a better understanding. Head. This refers to one's mind or thoughts. Trip. In this context, it refers to a journey, but not a physical one. It's a metaphorical journey inside one's own mind. When you put them together, a head trip is like taking a journey inside your own mind, which can lead to excessive contemplation or self-absorption. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how head trip can be used in sentences. Don't let his negative comments send you on a head trip. He's just having a bad day. Trying to understand his abstract art can be quite the head trip. She's been on a bit of a head trip since she started meditating and exploring her inner consciousness. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use the phrase, head trip. This phrase is informal and is best used in casual conversations, rather than in formal or professional settings. And that's a wrap on head trip. I hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of this interesting phrase and shown you how to use it in your everyday conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding phrases like these can help you communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!